Talking granite today. So granite is probably one of the countertops that almost every American knows about because it has been used as the main standard 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. It's kind of the builder grade standard, and you see it most predominantly during those decades. So granite is a natural stone and it has so many pros and a few cons to it as well. So we'll kind of walk you through some of those. Granite as a natural product is really, really durable. It's a fantastic product we use it for kitchens, bathroom countertops, outdoor kitchens. This is probably one of our favorite countertops for outdoor kitchens. As a natural stone, this particular one is less porous than marble. Porous means that soaps, scum, red wine, all of those things seep in. It is a little porous, but most people actually don't know that because granite typically has a lot of movement, a lot of darker colors to it, and so you don't even realize that there may be a ring of red wine on there because of all of the aesthetic going on. One of the biggest pros also to granite that people absolutely love is that you can put hot pans directly on. You don't need to put a hot pad. This is one of my favorite parts about granite, and actually this stone behind me is the exact stone that I have in my kitchen on my island because I go to my stove and then I turn around and I slap that pan directly on. A lot of experts say don't do that. I do that. It's practical, and to me, I will never specify a product to a client that I wouldn't recommend for my own home, and I am all about practicality. So some of the cons with granite, again, it's that it is actually porous, and so if you're going with a lighter granite, you want to get it sealed or you want to clean up some of those spills a little bit quicker. As far as price point, it really spans. So you start at this one is kind of a midpoint, right? So it's about retail, roughly about $3,000 because it does have some movement and veining. A lot of when we say builder grade granite, it's more speckly, a lot going on, less veining. And then there's some exotic granites that just have really overt, intricate veining or really unusual colors. So granite is one of my favorite products to use as far as a natural stone in kitchens because there's so many colors, so many options, great price point, and really, really durable. If you have any other questions about granite or any specific granite products or colors or types of granite, make sure you comment below and we will catch you next time.